You do?
Like, anytime I get a package, it's like, ah, fucking love it, especially like these kinds of packages. What is this? There's my hone.
There's the head bolts.
There's the head studs.
Oh, studs, yeah. Oh, sweet. Dingle ball. How rough is it? I'm curious. Not very.
Here's all my goodies. No, of course not. Oh, I've been a lot. Tons.
Gaskets.
Gaskets.
Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that's right. Torque wrench. Forgot about them.
Yeah, new torque wrench. Oh, nice. The sleeves came out of the. Came out.
Huh. Different colors.
Engine bearings.
Cool.
Rings. Fastener assembly. Lubricant. Camshaft. That's really small.
Ooh, baby, that's big. It's nice and thick. Oh. Oh.
Brand new pistons.
Hell yeah. 6.9 piston should have had 4 rings though.
Yeah.
Oh, they even got symbols on them on the side.
I have no idea. Oh, fuck.
What's that? Okay.
That's the...
Okay, don't fall on my leg, please. And what do we got here?
That's the timing chain.
Oh, dude. Some nice gears.
No chain. All gears. I think it's geared. This box is...
You know, the 6.5 isn't geared, but that's because the...
It's designed.
Well, yeah. That's a nice gear.
Oh, thank God. Look at this.
What? Oh, they have nice.
They have marks. This will make engine building put together way better. I love marks. Marks are good. Oh, those are my lifters.
Yeah.
There's a locking ring on the top. Here's my sleeves. My holy shit.
All right, looks like we're gonna start rebuilding the 6.9 finally. Well, we're taking this thing apart. Yeah, what'd you say?
I said it's gonna get a cleaning. We're gonna tear it all down and. What do you want?
Alright, we got just a couple more things off.
I wonder if it
The oil cooler had a vengeance and flew at me. It puked its guts at the same time. Like there's oil over there and oil and antifreeze here, and it hit my arm. And yeah, it definitely had a vengeance for me. Forgive me. We're getting the harmonic balancer off, as the true men pronounce it, the harbalier. There you go. Bye.
Okay.
Okay, so we're trying to pull the harmonic balancer off. And yeah, I don't think this pulley is designed for this much stress, because the bolts that it came with kind of, you know, stretched.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, look at that. That's terrible. All right, we just clean the heads off. They're nice and smooth. That's all the shit that came off the heads.
Not just the heads.
The heads and gasket. You can see a lot of gasket material there. And
alright, kiddos. That's how you flip a motor. Jesus Christ, that thing's got some weight in it.
put balance on it so the motor doesn't slide.
Slow up, slow up.
That's going all over my boots. Oh God.
So much for the plastic.
I mean, it's kind of working. Okay.
There, yeah, more room.
Look at how molassesy that fucking oil is, man. Oh my God.
It's been sitting for what, 6 months? Got anything else in them? Sorry.
Yeah, maybe.
You got the bolt. Got.
All right, there we go. It worked, kind of. That oil, man. Ugh.
A lovely sludge color. And
Ugh.
viscosity.
Man.
Copyrighted material.
Chew.
The oil and antifreeze mixing.
That's right. This is Earth Day, isn't it? This is Earth Day. Oh yeah. We're being we are being Earth conscious right now by putting down plastic so that we can roll it up and then throw it in the garbage. It's a shit show. All right, first time any of us have ever seen the crank.
Alrighty.
Yeah, look at that. All right, first time. Chain smoker engine. Sounds fucking weird. Pulling this off.
Come on.
Oh, there's that asphalt smell. Looks okay at first glance. Looks fine.
Burnt right here. There's a lot of heat.
Oh, well, yeah, I mean, there's gonna be, yeah.
Ta-da! Hey guys.
I don't think the oil was very new, so.
No, we did trace the oil, remember?
Yeah.
We bought it and then drove it back. And then drove it around a little bit.
There's a chunky gasket on the oil pump.
Oh, yeah. I don't know, it looks okay so far. We'll dig into it and I'll show you more. Well, here's our pistons. And they aren't clean yet, but when we disassemble them, we'll show you. But
Shit on there.
which will probably be a different day. But they look fine. They look great, actually. Ah, there we go. There's some light. Yeah, they look fine. The rings look a little, I mean, you could see marks on them. The camera won't pick it up because it's really tiny, but rings were definitely going, that's for sure. I don't remember which piston was the bad one, but you know, some of them are right now are completely full of oil.
Because we flipped it over on that side.
Yeah,
Those.
shine the light over here. Yeah, you can see it. Totally full of oil. It's a new technology from International. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, they look fine. All the connecting rods are straight. True.
God, these things stink. Damn, they smell fucking bad.
There you go. Crank, which, you know, there's not too much to show right now, but I mean, it's fine. I don't see, you know, just quick examination. There's no like scoring on any of the bearings or.
Well, it spins like a fucking drill.
Well, that's
too.
fine. Yeah, it spins really easily. You know.
No binding up.
Yeah, it's great so far. For how shit that engine ran, this engine ran. These parts are amazing for how terrible that motor ran. So, we're happy. Okay, that was good air. So we're pulling the injectors out of the 6.9 heads so that we can take them in to get worked on. So this is pretty much what they're supposed to look like. You know, this one's a pretty new one, but we pulled a couple of them out. And there's this one, which is covered in soot, so it didn't have the sealing on that, the little ring.
The copper seal.
And then this one's covered in God knows what.
Looks burnt.
And oily, so that's nice. And then this one, oh, it's got gunk all over it. Yeah, so that's definitely one of the reasons why this motor ran like shit.
And then take a look at that one.
Ooh. Nice. This is great, isn't it? Yeah. This is an injector. Are you ready?
Alright, guys.
Did they cross-thread the fucker? Oh! Oh!
It's not cross-threaded, but it's blown the fuck up.
Okay. Nice. The fuck is happening over here?
I could see why it didn't want to run very well.
No shit.
That looks like
It's still in there.
So it was running on 7 cylinders. It looks pretty good, actually.
It's just one though.
Okay, good point. Okay, alright, we got the heads into the truck and taking them to it's a place called Sherry's, and they're going to work on the ads. We should get them back in probably a week, you think?
If all goes well, yeah.
If all goes well, yes. Golf cart. Dog. But that's not the point of this video. This is the point of the video. You have the crankshaft on. Uno momento. It's timed, and we have the soap pump on. Now we're gonna put the pistons in. Piston sleeve, piston.
Let's go.
Ooh. It's so tight.
That's a good thing.
Alright, just put the last piston in. Well, it's not secured yet, but we're working on that.
Yeah, first build for Nephilim. Don't listen to me. First build of a motor had some interesting shit. So we'll see what it does when we start it.
In like 6 months.
Shut up. I know it's gonna be a while because I still gotta.
Well, it won't be 6 months though.
It won't, but
it's nice
still, mostly the only thing that really this motor needs is injection pump and injectors.
Here's the bottom.
I believe it's 960.
They're all lubed. Like, we put, the proper lube on it, and we put some fucking lube on it. One thing I just noticed is, if you look at this, look how much slack this has.
Well, yeah, the other one has slack in it too.
Yeah, I know, just curious. I mean, I know this doesn't need to be precise, so, I mean, it's not a problem, but...
It's just an oil pump.
So, we're getting it on here. Just got that on. Clean this out. It's, quick clean. Cleaner than it was, that's for sure. Got our seal on. Good to go. Alright, we got it flipped. And now...
ARP head studs, bitches. Saying how... Because I gotta put the liquid in.
Yeah. Okay, got the head studs on. Head studs. Sweet. No. Okay, just got the head on. We gotta take this old sealant off, but that's no biggie.
So, I'm kind of curious.
So, this is what the head gasket looks like.
Oh, that does not go in that way.
We got these on, but because we don't have the exact proper socket, we only have a 12-point, we don't have a 6-point. They're a hex.
It's not a torque socket.
And it's also not a torque socket. We just put them to 40 right now, which is the first step. The first step in, I don't know, torquing the heads. I don't know.
I don't know where you're going with that.
It's the first step in torquing the heads. There you go. Right now, we're just kind of doing some touch-up things. We're gonna do, well, not touch-up necessarily, but we're gonna put the lifters in, and then maybe push rods.
I might just set them in there. They won't be in the way.
Because, yeah, they're not gonna be in the way. But we're gonna get the intake manifold on, or the seal, you know what I mean.
And I might be able to put the injection pump on.
There you go. That's where we're at.